How would you like to save money on your taxes this year? Two Works For You problem solver Jamil Donith shows you how you can lower your taxes and increase your refund. Jamil?
Yeah, that's right, Russ. Each year, we all try to find the best filing software, tax preparer, or financial advice to get the most out of our taxes. But the Oklahoma Society of Certified Public Accountants says there are 4 easy ways to help you keep more of your hard-earned money. It all starts with deductions. Many of us might automatically choose the standard deduction because it's easier or we're uncertain, but you could be eligible for a much larger deduction if you itemize instead. In 2002, the U.S. Government Accountability Office found 2.2 million taxpayers likely overpaid their taxes by about $1 billion because they failed to itemize deductions. Next, get organized. Hold on to receipts and neatly file those documents. Well-organized records pay off at tax time. It can help you determine if you qualify for deductions or identify new opportunities to lower your taxes. If you're a procrastinator, pumping up your retirement plan is a great tax saving strategy. The interest and dividends you earn on a traditional individual retirement plan grow tax-free until you withdraw them. You can make contributions to a traditional IRA up until April 15th if you qualify and deduct it on a previous year's return. And always review your withholdings. We all love getting a big refund, but if you got a big check from the IRS last year, you may be withholding too much from your paycheck. So review how much you're having withheld and lower the amount if needed. Then you can deposit that extra money into a retirement account. And if you want to save on your filings for your taxes, this year the IRS and the Free File Alliance launched a service called Free File that offers brand name tax software products and electronic filing completely for free. And you can find out if you qualify on our website, KJRH.com. In the studio, Jamil Donith, 2 News Works For You.